How those hiccups treating you? Pretty annoying. You're wide awake. Uh-oh. Yeah. Sorry. That's no fun. Hiccups are no fun. Whoop. Well, they don't seem to irritate you, which is amazing. Is this natural for you to have hiccups?